Let's create an example 1+1 configuration consisting of a single node and a backup failover server. This type of configuration is a variation of the N+1 configuration. Select the primary server's IP address. Now link a second server. Click the Next button. Select Force Archive Replication. Initialize the 1+1 configuration. After initialization is complete, you can see both servers in the Hosts tab. When you click the Configuration tab, you'll see that the first server you added is listed as a primary node and the second one as a failover server. We can stop a server down by clicking the ellipsis. Click the Edit icon to set the desired retention time for the node configuration's data storage. Start the Axon Next client software. Select the node to connect to. And set the domain name for the node. For our example, let's create a network video footage archive. To access a local archive instead, follow the steps described for the N+1 configuration. Next, add a camera. Now, let's simulate a real-life situation and disconnect the node from the network. We can see in Supervisor settings that the node has been transferred to the failover server. Note: the node takes about 1 minute to transfer. Reconnect the Axon Next client to the previously used node. Since we configured video recording to a network-attached storage, all videos recorded from when the node migrated will still be available. Restore the network connection and wait until the node is transferred back from the failover server to the primary server. Wait for the client software to reboot. The 1+1 configuration is now configured.